Unlock the full potential of your Beehiiv newsletter and start monetizing your exclusive content today by mastering access control for your paid subscribers. First, log into your Beehiiv account and navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Settings option in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. Within the Settings menu, you'll find a section dedicated to premium or paid features. Click on this to access the content access controls. Here, you'll see your different subscription tiers. The key to restricting content lies in assigning these tiers to specific posts. We'll get to that next. Now, let's define which posts are for your paying members. Go to your Posts section and select the article you want to make exclusive. You can do this for existing posts or when creating new ones. In the post editor, look for the visibility or access settings. Here, you'll be able to choose which subscriber tier have permission to view this specific post for exclusive content. Select your paid tier S. Once you've selected your paid tier, save the changes. Beehiiv will now automatically ensure that only subscribers of that chosen tier can access this content. This means anyone who hasn't subscribed to your paid tier will see a prompt to subscribe when they try to access the restricted post, creating a clear pathway to conversion. Explore further options within the premium settings to fine-tune your subscriber experience, such as setting up trial periods or managing other exclusive benefits. This ensures a seamless and secure experience for your paying community. By following these steps, you can effectively monetize your valuable content and build a thriving community around your Beehiiv newsletter. Happy publishing!